This is Huawei's newly released small tablet, the Matepad Mini. As you can see, I can easily put it in my pocket and its front bezel is really narrow. Moreover, this is a small tablet that can make phone calls, but look at what is printed on the packaging. Digital mobile phone. In
plain language, it's just a phone, haha.
Oh, this size is quite small. Just 8.8 inches. Let's set the tablet aside for now. The first accessory included in the box is an ultra-fine polishing cloth. Look here, it even has the Huawei logo printed on it. The second accessory in the packaging, hey, this tablet comes with a protective case, a transparent hard plastic one. I think this case is nice. I'll put it on and show everyone in a bit. Next is the charger. Oh, it's a fast one, 66 watts, C to C.
Next, we give the main character the SIM card to the Shepherd. The color we have here is called spruce green. I personally think it's quite fresh.
A circular camera module in the upper right corner with a Huawei logo printed in the middle.
How would you rate this appearance? Personally, I think it's quite young and stylish. The back panel has a very delicate matte feel to the touch, and the material should be brocade fiber.
The side frame is not metal. It has an inward curve, making the whole device appear thinner. The official data is 5.1 millimeters. As an 8.8-inch tablet, we also weighed it, and the total weight is 264 grams. To be honest, it's quite light and thin. I can hold it with one hand and also fit it into my pants pocket.
On the right side of the top of the device, this is the power button, which integrates a fingerprint sensor. To the right of the charging port at the bottom is its SIM card slot. Yes, it can hold a phone card.
That's right, this small tablet can not only make calls and insert a card, it even has Beidou satellite messaging. Compared to what I mentioned above, I personally like the front of this tablet the most.
Yes, that's right. This 8.8-inch, 2.5K, 120Hz OLED screen.
Brothers, feel this bezel. It's really narrow, only 2.99 millimeters.
Then the front camera is placed at the top right corner of the device.
Apart from the narrow bezel, an important feature of this screen is its 16:10 aspect ratio.
So, when using the small tablet to watch TV, you see it makes very efficient use of the screen, not only for watching TV in landscape mode, but also for scrolling through Douyin in portrait mode. You see there are no black borders at the top and bottom.
I personally think that for this kind of small tablet, which you could also call a big phone, the appearance of the front is quite important. What we have here is a version with a matte screen, so it feels a bit like frosted glass to the touch, which everyone is very familiar with. But I want to emphasize something here. Remember the cloth we got when we unboxed it? The cloth they provide makes it really easy to clean the screen. You must use it. Don't just throw away the packaging without using this accessory, as it would be a pity to lose it. This small tablet comes pre-installed with the Harmony OS 5.1 system. And of course, it also includes Zuoyi Tong. I checked it out myself, and the animations and everything are quite smooth. Moreover, the system-level apps have been optimized for the tablet layout. As for the third-party apps, I also took a look, and they are quite comfortable. If they are well adapted on the phone, then rest assured, there will be no issues on the tablet. If they are not so well adapted on the phone, it will be the same on the tablet. For this small tablet here, Huawei has also made optimizations in some software, like its native drawing and Huawei Notes. Personally, I think people are more interested in this. The Matepad Mini's SoC is the Kirin 9010. Additionally, it has dual speakers. When playing music, you see there's a live notification here. It's different from the Island. Swipe up, and there it is.
See that? Although it's a small tablet, it supports a stylus, mouse, and keyboard. Also, they have made separate partitions in the settings. Finally, we put on this transparent protective case, and honestly, there's no need to buy third-party accessories. If it came with a tempered glass screen protector, that would be even better. In my personal opinion, calling it a big phone is perfectly fine.